The next stage is to load the multi-vial cyclone, and that's easily done. We simply go to these side attachments and unclip that one, turn the other one, there it is there, unclip that, and then lift the whole thing upwards and away. We'll just put that down to one side, and you can now see the device there. This is the air intake. That's the body of the cyclone that swirls around. Underneath there is the carousel of collection tubes that collect the sample, and the airflow goes up the centre and out to the pump, and then out through an exhaust hole at the bottom underneath there. Okay, what we need to do is to be able to change the collection tubes and replace them with fresh tubes each week, and that will be the next step.